Hi everyone, I'm Nicole and I'm a product developer here at Really Good Stuff. And today I'm bringing to you our latest subscription box called Get Your Crayon, which contains exclusive materials you can only find here at Really Good Stuff. So let's dive right in. When you open your subscription box, the first item you will see is this set of 36 Crayon Erasers. As you can see, there are a variety of colors. They're really nice to have for your prize box or to give out to your students for different holidays. Next, you will get this lanyard, which has a little snap piece so you can pull off the end if you have like your ID on here and want to take it off. And as you can see, it has our Get Your Crayon artwork here. The next item you will find in your box is these Get Your Crayon mechanical crayons. So I'm going to open it up here and show you what they look like. So here you can twist up from the bottom. You could have your students use these, or you could keep them for yourself. These are really nice to use in like a planner or when you're writing little notes. Next, we have these desk nameplates. So what's really nice about these is your students can actually decorate the inside here and put their name on it and then use it on their desk all year long. And as you can see, it doesn't have an age attached to it. It's great for kindergarten, it's great for 5th grade, any grade level that would like to use them. So you'll get a set of 36 of those. The next item you'll get in your box, which is my favorite part of this box, is this Get Your Crayon Garland. So I'm gonna try to carefully pull this apart here quickly so you can see what it looks like. So you'll get this piece, which you can attach to different places in your classroom. You can put it on your bulletin board, you could put it in your classroom, wherever you like. And then you attach the second half here. So you can have it with the logo on it, or you could even use the opposite side, which has colorful crayons. So you have the option to use either of those. And to go on your bulletin board or wherever you hang this garland up, you also will get this banner, which is very colorful and laminated, as you can see. And it says, "Our class is colorful" on that side. And then if you flip it over, it says, "We're crazy for learning in blank's class." So that's really cool. You can hang up both of those different sides at different times of the school year. So how to get started? Join us today on our website at reallygoodstuff.com/box. Our boxes are only $29.99 a month. And when you sign up, be sure to tag us on social media and don't forget to hashtag RGSBox. Thanks, see you next time.